Unbelievable that Lalba can actually make this too. I have to say, their small workshop is really versatile. It's been so long, I forgot how many you could buy for just 1 cent back then. As for how these glass marbles are mass-produced here at Lalba's, today we're going to step inside this workshop and find out. We all know that quartz sand is the main raw material for making glass. But here, for cost reasons, Lalba usually uses recycled glass fragments for processing. And this furnace is the key equipment for making glass marbles. It's mainly built from fire-resistant bricks. Its structure is roughly as shown in the diagram, mainly with a feed inlet, a melting tank, a flow channel, and a working chamber, though in practice it may differ slightly. But basically, that's the general setup. First, workers add glass into the furnace through this side feed opening. You can see these raw materials vary a lot and come in different colors, because the melting tank reaches temperatures of 1500 to 1600 degrees when operating. Even iron wouldn't withstand that. So let's continue by using this diagram to understand the furnace's working principle. First, the glass raw materials are heated in the melting tank into liquid glass. At this stage, there are inevitably impurities or pieces of glass not fully melted. That's when this low wall in the middle of the tank is needed, commonly called the kill step for the first glass filtering. When a certain amount of liquid glass collects in the next area, it flows through this channel into the working chamber. This channel is usually designed at the bottom of the melting tank and serves as the second filtration. When the molten glass enters the working chamber, the temperature drops slightly, and the bubbles become fewer. At this point, it can be delivered to the feeder machine. And that's exactly the situation we're seeing now. The shaping of the glass marbles is done using these two copper molds below, molded into spheres by a rotating scissor-style forming machine. Some factories are more strict in production, and after shaping, they also anneal the marbles to eliminate internal stress and improve their strength. Here at Lalba's, this step is clearly missing. They just cool naturally. But for daily use, that's already good enough. Finally, here's the question. Do you know how these glass marbles with internal patterns are made?